What's up, guys? So this song combines Kappa 5 standard tuning. It combines a tremolo technique with the index finger with a thumb technique to play melody. Sorry. We just got some hammer-ons and pull-offs there. And to do that together is the real challenge. And this is at the moment the most challenging thing I can play. So give yourself a lot of patience with this one. Okay. So we start with just this tremolo going. Da, 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 da. Now I can't play it anymore. So that's what happens. Let me just pause for a second. Okay, so real slowly it's... The real challenge is with this pinky, you often mute the G string, so especially with the hammer on. And then almost the same thing on the fifth string. Just a quick note, that is not correct there. It's only the index finger that plays the G string. Okay, not the thumb. Okay, so the melody you just play with the thumb. Let's just quickly go over the melody. So once you have the first melody, then you'll be able to do the whole song. Okay, not quite, but you know, you get the idea. So the original melody is da 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 da. So you do hammer on onto there and a pull off. Da 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 da. It's a very Celtic thing to do. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. So the melody basically goes da 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 da, and then ba da ba 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 da 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 da, and then it goes da da ding ding da da ding da da ding, and that's the whole melody. Okay, so once you finish that, this is the scale that he uses. G major scale, major pentatonic. Okay, and then he uses these chords for the chorus. You can either use the G6 or the normal G, which is the one chord for this key. D, A minor, just taking that C and putting it there. And this is just like the C shape used with D. Okay, you want to keep that tremolo going on the G string and then go back to the original. Okay, so that's the way you play it. There's really nothing else to it. It's just practice and just getting that tremolo nice and solid. That really took me a whole afternoon, and I don't know why I'm now there and there. Let's quit that and let's go here And then we fix, oh, there we go. Okay, nice. Okay guys, see you in another video. Thanks for being a premium member, or if you're not, then go be a premium member. It's really cool. A lot of benefits and stuff. Cheers.